So today I finally got this bike mobile holder which can mount the mobile in the bicycle. So I ordered it from the disc at once.se website, and it arrived very quickly. Within 2 days it arrived. So let me unbox this. So this is the invoice I received inside disc at once. Yeah, nice package. It looks like really gift. And this is the box. Let me open this. This is the first look for this. So this is the mobile holder with the 360 rotation available. Either you can keep like this or rotate like this, horizontal and vertical both. And yes, this side it holds. And this is the additional fixture which will help us to fix this or mount this in the cycle handle. Okay, so let me see, let me mount this. So this is the grip which will hold very nicely and couple tile. So yes, it went well. So this is where I want to keep this one. So you don't need any additional screwdrivers for it. It fits by itself because of the mechanism. So you see here, and then we can put this. So you have to fix like this. You have to remove this out. Then you keep like this, then you have to rotate.
Okay, so you have to push inside and you have to tighten it. So here we go. So it rotates like this. Then this is the, I think when you put the mobile inside, then you need to keep this one on the edge so that it holds very tightly. Okay. And you can rotate like this. Oriental. Thanks for watching it. I'll share you the reviews, how it works.
You should not stretch it directly because it will not go. So I finally found there is a button here. If you see here, this is the button. If you press this, then it comes out. So you need to press this button and you have to adjust, then you can see. So this is the trick. Don't try to force and start opening this forcefully. So whenever you want to press it, you can press, but when you want to open it, for opening you need to press that button. And if you will try to forcefully open like this, then it won't work and it might break. Technique means tricky part which you have to understand. You need to put it up like this. So when I saw this, I thought it will come out like this. So no, again you need to think here. You need to press and you need to bring it out. So you can put like this now, and you have this, and you can hold like this. So this is how you have to put. And for additional grip, if you are going for some mountain biking and all, then you can bring this on top so that it holds